Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going into tutorial number 9 of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette. The last one, I really focused on the Evil Genie. I think today, for this look, I'm thinking kind of something smoky-ish. Kind of. Actually, I wouldn't mind doing a smoky look with Fez Up. With maybe that in the crease. I don't know. I want to keep it kind of simple, but we shall see how that goes. Because sometimes I do simple and sometimes it just comes out. What does this look crooked? But anyways, without further ado, so far so good with this palette. We definitely have some very subtle neutral looks from the first tutorial to some amped up looks that you could definitely do with this tutorial. With this palette, which is actually kind of interesting. So you get a variety of warms, neutrals, and some cools. I feel like they're more like warm cools, but hey. Love this foundation. The consistency is like really thick, so it's kind of buildable, which is really, really nice. So those areas where you feel like you need a little bit more coverage, you can, and yeah. But let me go and start getting my eyes prepped and we will get into this tutorial real quick. Alright, so eyes are prepped with the Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. I went ahead and toned down my eyebrows just a little bit. For the first shade, I actually am going to go in with Mirage, or I'm actually going to go in with Sahara Stunna. I think that's the shade. And kind of use that more as the brow bone highlight-ish. Perfect. I don't know. Yeah. Sahara Stunta for sure. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of minimize the appearance of my brows a little bit for this look. Perfect. There we go. Now, I'm going to go in with Saffron. Saffron, yeah, Saffron. Because I kind of want this. I'm going to use Saffron as a blush as well. Just kind of put it more in the outskirts. And just slightly build it up. Debate if I kind of want to put this in the crease. Don't know yet. This is where we are at. It's actually nice because if you're like in a rush, I don't know why, but this palette seems like no matter what type of color story you really throw together, especially if you're in a rush, it's gonna blend out just fine. Just fine. Let me go in with the fluffy brush. Dip into that saffron so we have that right in the crease. Saffron. Just to add a little bit of depth. I keep wanting to dip into Fez Up. Saffron. Oh, these colors definitely do pack a punch and I keep forgetting. Love it! So it's like already halfway through March and the sun is finally making its appearance. Its guest appearance here in the Netherlands. But my allergies have been acting up. There we go. Now with the finger, I'm gonna go in with Fez Up first. Oof. She's definitely saucy. Sometimes you just gotta use the finger. Perfect. my god. This is like a plummy, it's like a plum brown, which I love. Oh, 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 oh. She's going places. It's natural lighting. Let me turn this down a little bit. There we go. And really just add it up to the intensity you want, as usual. Oh, I love this actually. She's giving me James Bond villain, Mission Impossible villain. I just recently watched Mission Impossible, what, 7? Dead Reckoning, Awakening, whatever it's called. These bitches are badass. Tom Cruise still doing stunts at his age. Damn. Can't wait to be in my kickies jumping over buildings. Perfect. Yeah. Smoky Smoke Smokerson. And just use the edge of the fingertip just to really help feather that out. And if you feel like you want to pack on a little bit more, just a smidge more, get a flat brush. Yeah, this looks off for some reason. Or am I just off? I don't know. And just pack it on. Pack it on. Perfect. Well, let me go ahead and line my eyes and I will show you guys the look before we move on to the face. Let's head out. Alright, so this is where we are at so far with the look. I went ahead and primed my face with the Milk primer. The blurring primer. What is it called? Luminous blur stick. I don't know. I like any type of primer that has a little bit of luminosity. Also, just straight up moisturizer as primer if you're having a really good skin day. And I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury's thingy. And I went ahead and lined my waterline with Permagel liner in Extreme Black by Pat McGrath, which is amazing. We love it. And so far, this palette I really am truly enjoying again. But like I said, I think after this tutorial, I may just give it away. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away, give it away now. Yeah. I don't know why. I've been going through a phase of like some old school Limp Bizkit, Kid Rock, Bomb with the Bang, Man, I miss the 90s. We had some good, we had some poetry. And that's some jokes. Yeah. So far, so good with this palette. I do think this palette really didn't get the chance it deserves to really give it the depth it has, the color combination, the color story, the moment that it has. Like, it's just really a lot of just, even the brand itself didn't really do a lot of tutorials, really more focused on this and that, like Rihanna's music video. Now that we have the snapshots, this really fell off the radar. I think it fell off the radar probably like a month or two after it came out, which is unfortunate. But also a lot of channels just kind of do 1 to 3 to 5 looks and then we never talk about it again. But here I am on tutorial number 9, giving you guys some variety of this palette, if you still have it. Going in with 6.5 medium first. I just basically kind of just do that. and then going in with the medium, 8.5 medium after that. Just because I can. But I'm gonna go and do the rest of my face, and I will see you guys in a moment. So here is the final look. Saucy, 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 saucy. I really do love this. I actually went ahead and used Coco Naughty as bronzer. And I'm using Saffron as the blush. And I use Ebony. Is it Ebony? Ebony as a contour. Not like a harsh contour, but just like a light contour is what I did. And I just wanted to do something very blown out with this look. Oh, no highlighter on. I just wanted to use the sparkle of the actual foundation as kind of the highlight. So that is what we have on. And as you can tell, this eyeshadow does build up to pigmentation quite a bit. Nothing in the brows, keeping the brows very tamed for this look. I also went ahead and set the face with Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Beautiful Skin and 8 Warm. Concealer 6.5 and 8.5 mixed together. Lips is just the lip liner. Love Lip Cheat. Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner and Love Trap with Pat McGrath Opulence Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar. That is still going strong. Like, I'm about to run out. Like, this has lasted me quite a bit of looks, to be quite honest. You guys have seen the videos I've done, and that's still like my #1 to go to. But yeah, so this is Fez Up on the eyes. Saffron blown out. I actually really am digging this moment. It kind of does remind me a little bit of the... Oh, I could actually easily go in with... Maybe I should actually. If I could find it. No, it's going to be the other one. The summer collection. You know what? You know what? We're going to do it. Oh. Like, just in certain areas. Oh my god. Oh. The layering. All the layer. Okay, that's actually really cute. That is very... These two mixed together actually. What is that? Sangria Sunset mixed with saffron. The blood. Oh, we're going places. We are definitely going places. Or Sangria Sunset all over the eyelid and Fez Up as the liner. Maybe, we'll see. But here we are, just playing around. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Tutorial number 9. 9, right? Yeah. 9. So I'm gonna go and take pictures. If you want to see the final edits, go to my Instagram page to see that. So yeah, definitely got a few more ideas to go through for this. So we are definitely getting up there with these tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you next video.